Hey guys, welcome to another Rain Day Titan video.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed.
So we got all the suspension done on this side. Now just headed over to the driver's side today to finish everything else up on the front end, and then we can move to the rear end. So let's get to it. Oh yeah, look at all that suspension. Fit like a glove. Now I just gotta go through and tighten up everything and then figure out how to jack up this front end so we can put the wheels on. So we're headed over here to the other lot because none of the jacks we have will lift the Titan enough to put wheels on. So I have some blocks over here that should allow us to get it to the height that we need to. Oh yeah, you guys haven't seen this yet. Okay, here's one of them. Oh. Walked around the whole container and Julian found it. It was right out in the open. Back to the truck. Now that we're back over here, let's get these blocks on here and good to go. front wheels on, and now we're just going to turn it on to have it full lock each side to see if it does rub. It doesn't look like it's going to, but keep your fingers crossed. Just as I expected. Don't need to trim that at all. Looks perfect. It is so nice to hear this thing run. Like, I didn't really show it to you guys the last time I started it up, but we definitely got some Carolina squat going on back there. Those wheels are sick. Now that the front's done, we're moving back here to the rear to get all of this stuff installed. Has let up a bit. Blue sky somewhere back there. So we are taking the opportunity to finish up what we can of the rear, and by doing so, what we have left is the spacers back here, the blocks, whatever they're called. On that side you can see that we did them already. So just have this side to do, and it's just this block, well, the block there, and then this little bracket on the bottom, and then the other bracket that is supplied for the traction arm that comes up from the rear axle. So let's get to it. Clouds over there. That's a big cumulonimbus cloud or something, maybe, if I remember science of 7th grade. Cumulonimbus, like the big fluffy one? Julian's making fun of me.
Well, I mean, I've never recruited them.
Science nerd.
I've never recruited them. I'm graduating this year.
We are almost done. I'm going against everything Sean, and I'm actually reading instructions. We just have like a few more things, like the sway bar links, the rear shocks, and then little differential wires, or wires and brake lines and stuff that bolt back up to the axle. Well, the rain's back. I learned yesterday that this is the second wettest year in the history of Utah. The last time it was this wet, or no, what was the statistic? We got more rain this month than we did all of last year, and this is the second wettest year. Yeah, Julie said it's also the second time I'm bringing the tools back inside. Second wettest year since 2011. The previous record to that was in like 1893 or something. That is crazy. We live in the desert. Julian's trying to get workers' comp by getting electrocuted from lightning. Well, this is the end of the video. It just keeps raining, so not getting it finished today. But stay tuned for the next video, guys. I really appreciate you. Julian says you're all awesome. And if you like my content, go check out my Instagram. Teespring shirts are below. If you want stickers, they are over on the website. All the links are in the description below. And that being said, enjoy wherever you are. Hopefully it's not downpouring like here. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Just out having fun with Brent. Yep. Welcome, Brent, to the channel. GTR is mine. Might as well have fun with it.